I'm going to show you how to start an online business that brings in monthly revenue without having any money, any experience, or any technical skills. And don't worry, there's literally no competition with this business model because there's so many business potential out there, and I'll prove that to you as we go through this video. Now, we're going to model a business that brings in over $1 billion per year, and we're simply going to model what they're doing. Now, the cool thing is obviously you don't have to go and build all these softwares and infrastructures. I'm going to show you this secret website that's going to do 95% of the work for you. But what we're going to do is we're going to clone the process of this $1 billion business. Now, we're going to be modeling this website right here. It's called Weave. Now, you can look it up on Google. They're worth over $1 billion. And I'm going to show you how simple this process is. But as you can see, they work with a ton of different local businesses such as dentists, spas, veterinarians, right? Those type of businesses. So what I'm going to show you today is basically this 3-step process where we're going to be working with local businesses, just like this website Weave. But essentially what we're going to do is we're going to contact these businesses. We're going to show them how to use this AI software that literally copies and pastes, and I'll show you exactly how to do that. And then you simply just make money every single month. Now, the cool thing is you're going to have access to this software for these local businesses. Basically, you're going to get this software, you're going to plug and play for these businesses, you're going to help them with their marketing, and they're going to pay you every single month, monthly reoccurring commissions. And of course, this is only with one company that you work with. As you get better, as you get more companies, you can start to stack, right? So instead of making $500 per month with one business, well, now you can work with 10 and make $5,000 per month, and so on and so forth. Now, if we go back to Weave and look at the actual products or services that they're offering these local companies, you'll see they're offering phone service, online scheduling, getting Google and Facebook reviews, team chat, texting, reminders, billing, analytics, email marketing, lots and lots of things. Now, I know what you're thinking. I have no idea how to build this out. I have no idea how to code, create these types of systems. Well, that's where I'm going to show you this really cool website where you can literally plug and play any business into it. They're going to be impressed because you're going to look like a hero, but you're going to be making money because all you have to do is manage this. But essentially, you're going to be offering these services that you see here, plus some other services that are going to be really cool that I'll show you in just a second. Now, here's the cool part here. So for example, we have created these sample pages for a lot of local businesses that I'll show you. But in this example, you can literally go to these companies and say, I have a web page ready, I have the Google review ready, and all the automations to schedule appointments on autopilot. Now, in this example, I'm using a acupuncture business, and as you can see, we have these custom automations that simply you can plug and play with any of these acupuncture businesses, okay? And as you can see, there's a birthday template here, a follow-up, holiday text, all these automations that we've personally built out, and it makes it easier for you to go to these companies and say, hey, I'm going to plug and play this entire system for you. And then of course you charge them a monthly fee to run the business for them. Now I'm going to go back to the software and I'll show you exactly how you can implement everything. But first I want to show you this really cool spreadsheet. Okay. So as you can see, we've added hundreds of local businesses, right? Acupuncture, agencies, birthday party planning, blind installation, CDL job training, chiropractor services, dog training, and on and on. So what we've done is we've built these pre-done websites and automations and emails and text messages. So if you want to go and help a dog walking business, you can literally reach out to them and say, hey, I have everything built out for you. You plug and play their logo, and boom, they're going to start paying you to get them more leads, to automate their process, and to get them more reviews. Now, the software I'm talking about is called Funnel Freedom. And remember when I showed you the Weave website, we had all these products and services that these people will do for these local businesses. Well, this software, Funnel Freedom, is literally a plug and play, which I'm going to show you how to do everything, but essentially it does all of those things. Okay. So as you can see, it does the marketing, the automations. You can schedule your social media posts, right? So if I go over here to marketing, you'll see there's a social planner, so you could simply connect that business's Facebook page, Instagram page, and you can schedule out posts, right? So you can see if I go to new post here, I could go and post a new post. Another thing that I could do, as you can see, we can even use AI to create these posts for these businesses. So if you have no idea what to post for them, what to write, you can see if I go to content AI, you can literally say, let's just say landscaping services. So as you can see, we added a brief description. You can add some keywords here. I'll just put landscaping, and then writing tone, I'll just put funny, and we'll do small and generate. So this will actually create the content for us for whatever local business that you want to help. And as you can see, now we have some content ready to go. And the cool thing is you could even generate photos as well. So this has all the AI that you need to be able to do this for these companies, okay? And this is just the tip of the iceberg. You can see you can do emails, you can do funnels, you can do websites, all the things that Weave is doing, you can actually go and do yourself. Now, again, going back to this spreadsheet, I want to show you how you can access this, because this is super powerful. Depending on what type of business that you want to go and help, you can see all you have to do is follow these steps here to import this into your Funnel Freedom account or that business's account. So let me walk you through the steps of how you would actually make money with this process. So let's just say we want to pick an acupuncture business, okay? So we'll start with this. So we're gonna go and reach out to acupuncture businesses and essentially have them sign up for this software called Funnel Freedom, okay? Now for you actually get paid as an affiliate for this software, right? So you can have them sign up for it. And once they sign up, they'll have access to this back office. Now, the cool thing is you're going to get paid 40% commissions as an affiliate for Funnel Freedom. And number two, now you can charge them to actually manage their account. So you're actually making money on both aspects, the actual software itself, and then them paying you to manage everything for them, right? So again, going back to that example spreadsheet, and I'll show you how to get access to all of this. All you have to do is once they have a Funnel Freedom account, you're going to go to this site right here. And this is once they're signed in, and you're just going to enter their full name, the email, location ID, which is basically the account ID, and then snapshot ID. Okay. Now this is the important part right here. So for example, if we're doing acupuncture, so I'm going to go to acupuncture snapshot ID. You're going to copy that and you're going to add that here. Okay. So I just filled out some basic information here, and let me show you where to get the location ID in the Funnel Freedom account. You go to the bottom left, you click on settings, and then here at the top where it says location ID, you're going to copy this button here. And then of course, you're going to go back over here, paste that. And once you click import, this is going to be specific for the acupuncture website. Okay. So as you can see, everything is being imported in the account. Okay. So again, you can do this with all sorts of businesses, not just acupuncture, but literally we give you everything that you need with the websites, the automations, all the things that are going to help these businesses get more leads and automate their process. And as you can see in just a few seconds, now we have the acupuncture funnels or websites in our Funnel Freedom account. So again, going over the steps, we want to contact these local businesses, let them know that we can completely automate their business. We can automate their social media posts, their email marketing, their text messages, everything that a business needs and they don't want to worry about. You can go and say, hey, I will literally plug and play. I have a website ready for you, and they are going to pay you because they don't want to go and mess with the marketing. They just want to go and run the business, right? So they're going to pay you $500 or up to even $1,000 a month to do this for them. And then once you contact these local businesses, depending on which business you want to help, again, we have all these ready to go. Now, of course, we're also adding more, so you can see all the up and coming ones that we're doing, like real estate, self-liquidating offer, ride sharing. Those are coming, but for now we still have hundreds of different local businesses that you can go and connect with and help them. Now, as far as getting leads or contacting these local businesses, you can simply go to Google and type in a local business and reach out to them. Also, I have this really cool video that I'll leave right here. You can go check on my YouTube channel, or you can click right here. But basically, I show you how to get unlimited leads for any business that you want and how you can do this for free. So I'll leave that over here. You can go and click on that video, or just go to my channel and check out this video right here. That way you can get get leads and you can start reaching out to these local businesses and start making money. I hope this video was of value. I'm super excited to help you on this journey. And if you have any questions at all, please let me know down in the comments below. With that being said, we'll see you on the next video, and God bless.